5 Best 3D Printers. Here is the product number 5 Sane 1520C2 Mini 3D Sublimation. Max paper size, A3+. Paper feed mode, auto. Application, for home use. Model number, Mini 3D Sublimation Vacuum Heat Press Printer. Supports network printing. Note: after sale service, shops 3 guarantees. Here is the product number for Sane 3042 3D Sublimation Heat. Brand name, OLOEE. Max paper size, A3+. Paper feed mode, automatic and manual. Print speed, 8 ppm. Color print speed, 8 pages. Black print speed, 8 pages. Supports network printing. Note: after sale service, shops 3 guarantees. Here is the product number 3 New 3D Sublimation Heat. Brand name, TOPPA Hardy's. Model number, Heat Press Printer. Paper feed mode, automatic and manual. Print speed, 8 ppm. Supports network printing. Note: color print speed, 8 pages. Black print speed, 8 pages. After sale service, shops 3 guarantees. Here is the product number 285 Desktop 3D Printer 2.8. Brand name, TOPPA Hardy's. Launch date, 2015. Supports network printing. Wired. Black print speed, 10/150mm. After sale service, shops 3 guarantees. Color print speed, 10/150mm. Style, color. Paper feed mode, manual. Here is the product number 1 3D Food Printer and 4-in-1. Brand name, Shaderjet. Color print speed, 64 SEC. A4 size printing. Paper feed mode, auto. Max paper size, A4. Supports network printing. Note: style, color. Double-sided printing. Note: use 3D printer. Interface type, USB. Type, inkjet.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.